Hello and welcome to PH Biology. Today's explainer is DNA, the double helix molecule that stores the genetic instructions for every living organism. By the end of this video, you'll know the bases, the pairing rules, and what makes a gene a gene. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It's a long molecule arranged as a double helix, two strands wound around each other like a twisted ladder. The rungs of the ladder are made of four bases, A, T, G, and C. A pairs with T, G pairs with C. The base pairing is the basis of inheritance. Three things. 1. Bases pair specifically, A with T, G with C. 2. A gene is a section of DNA that codes for a particular protein. 3. Three bases code for one amino acid. So a gene with 360 bases codes for a protein with 120 amino acids. Common slip. DNA isn't a chromosome. A chromosome is condensed DNA wrapped around proteins, visible during cell division. And the two strands of the double helix run in opposite directions, anti-parallel, though this detail is more A-level than GCSE. Quick example, a 360 base gene divides into 120 triplets of bases. Each triplet codes for one amino acid, so the gene produces a protein made of 120 amino acids. Change one base, a mutation, and you might change one amino acid in the protein. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond the video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.